Hey guys, you're here with the Yo Papi, and today I have the Note 9. Don't want to say all new because it's not all new, but it's new. And as you can see, the box is totally different from what Samsung normally does. You can see the yellow S Pen with the blue top. Now this is based on whatever color phone you get. Right now, since my phone is the ocean blue with the yellow S Pen, obviously the yellow S Pen's on the box. If you get it in black, the whole S Pen's black. Purple, the whole S Pen's purple, and so on. So here's the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's see what we got. If I can get the box open. Yeah, I'm struggling a bit. Pull. Okay, here we go. Taking out my knife so I can cut this thing open. Let's see what we got. Having some struggles here. I don't get it. There we go. Okay. So as usual, you got your regular books and stuff, SIM ejection tool. Let's see what for those of you who like to read, there you go, there's plenty of it. Now we got the beast. But before we look at that, let's see what else comes in the box. Alright, so you got your normal fast charging brick. You got your USB connector. You got your AKG headphones, earbuds for all different size ears, USB Type-C, charging cable, and your pen tips. This is like, so if you like a harder tip, softer tip, and this is to pull the tip out of the pen. Okay, let's put this to the side. Now let's look at the phone. Here it is. That thing is a beauty. So let's take this off. Hold on, give me a second. Now let's wipe it off. This blue is crazy. Again, this is the ocean blue. This is the 128 gigabyte, 6 gigs of RAM. The Note 9 also comes with 8 gigabytes, 512 gigs of RAM. Of storage. And you can put up to a 512